What is up, YouTube? Oh my gosh, it is bright right now. Let me get my little shield right now to make it dark. What's up, everyone? Just gonna wait for some people to get in real quick. Oh, it's way better. It's not as dark anymore. But yeah, what's up, everyone? Um, I just got off work right now. I'm just chilling here. Just normal day. I don't really have time to edit a video and upload something tonight, so I figured I'd do a live video today. But I hope everyone's doing well. Man, it is. Oh, let me close my window, man. It is too bright. But what's up, everyone? Let's see who's in here right now as we wait for. There's a few more people to get in. Go ahead. If you have any questions, go ahead and make sure you ask them right away, and I'll make sure to answer them for sure. So first one in here today, we got Ramsey. What is up, Ramsey? Gada. We got Q Kamal, Progress. We got Lennox, Gada, Sapreet. We got Jesse. What is up, everyone? Man, well, how's everyone doing, man? What's up, Dimitri? I hope everyone's doing well, man. If you can, just give me some love. I'd appreciate it if you go ahead and like this video. I would really appreciate that. But again, if you have any questions, man, make sure you ask in here. Today, this video is all about you guys. It's all about not me. It's really about what you need help with. Any questions, I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. But man, life has been good. Let me spit out this gum. Yeah, life has been good. Life has been absolutely amazing. Honestly, man, I can't believe the life I have right now. It's just, I'm humbled, man. So let's go ahead and let's get in here and go ahead and ask your questions. But yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go in this. All right. Let's see. Sergio, are algorithms asking junior dev interviews? Not for web developer interviews. As a front end developer, not necessarily as a back end developer or a software engineer. Yes, algorithms can potentially be asked for sure. Yes, for sure. We got Stan here. What is up? Okay, Shadrach is asking this. He says, "Hey Chris, I gave the first like tonight from Nigeria. Dude, what is up, man? Man, honestly, man, when you guys like my videos, the reason I ask is because honestly, what it does is it helps push out this content to everyone, everywhere, man. It's insane. I don't know why the algorithm works like that, but that's how it works, man. Let's see. We got Joel Powers in here. What's up, bro? He said, "What's going on, man? Want some snow from the East Coast? I do. Honestly, guys, again, as you know, the air conditioning in my car does not work. It is dead. And so I actually have a homie. He actually owns a car shop, and it's gonna cost $1,000 to fix it, but I gotta do it. I don't want to spend $1,000 in my car. Like, you don't mind like buying like a $2,000 laptop for coding. You don't mind. I don't mind spending $1,500 on this camera. It's $800 on this lens, right? Because it's help my future. But even though a car is what you need to survive and get those jobs out there too, like, man, it's just a pain in the butt. I hope I'm not the only one that feels this, and it is hot. Ninmar says, "How did you teach yourself in 3 months? I'm convinced it's impossible. It's taking so long. It is not impossible. First of all, I think one thing you have to understand is that I didn't fully grasp it in 3 months. I taught myself enough code to get a job in 3 months. There's a totally big difference. Learning code takes a lot longer than 3 months to grasp and understand. But what I did and what Treehouse does, link in description below, plugin, haha. They put you on a track and where if you consistently study code for at least 2 to 3 hours a day, every day, you put yourself in a position to get a job anywhere between 3 and 6 months. And that's what I love about Treehouse. And yeah, that's how I did it, man. And it's not that I knew exactly what to do, but yeah. We got Stan. I thought he was gonna throw up. Sorry about that. No, I wasn't gonna throw up. It was just my gum. If you guys don't know something about me, is that I go through these I go through these packs every 2 days. Like whenever I eat a gum, I always put two in my mouth at a time, sometimes three, depending on how bad my breath stinks. Lennox says, "How long have you been working at your current job?" I believe I haven't checked. I don't remember exactly, but I think it's been about 1 year. 1 year and 8 months, 9 months, so almost 2 years. What is up, rock and roll? What's up, man? All right. Anything else? Princess says, "Hey, Chris, can I get a web development job in the US when you're outside?" You definitely can, although that will be difficult unless you have a degree, to be quite honest. I think your goal, yes, that could be a hope to get a job in the US, in the States as a developer or whatever, a software engineer, self-taught software engineer. But your goal should be first to be good enough to get you something somewhere, not just the US. And eventually, as you get better, as you get experience, you could definitely get a job here in the US. From what I know, by 2020, there are going to be 1 million jobs available to those who teach themselves code. Not just that, if you follow me on Twitter, link in the description below. On Twitter, I put on there, I believe 69% of all software engineers today, okay, or developers or whatever, 69% of them are actually self-taught. So it's not about going to school all the time as well. Mintra says, is it bad to rely on Bootstrap for the layout design? No. If I could have started over, I would make my current portfolio in Bootstrap, but I made it with JavaScript, jQuery, etc. Good question, man. Stan says, I stopped my Maze Runner movie to watch this awesomeness. What is, dude? I'm humble, man. Dude, you gotta keep watching that Maze Runner. Which Maze Runner, by the way? What do you think about Angular, Brian? Very good question. What do I think about Angular? Angular is very complex. It is a difficult language to learn. It's not easy. React is much easier. I haven't dived into React yet because I'm going through a full stack JavaScript course with Treehouse. But when I get in there, and for when I know React is easier, but again, I have to learn Angular, because we're implementing in my company. And what's pretty cool about that, by the way, is that when we're talking to my senior developer, and we're planning on implementing Vue.js as well, which is kind of cool, man. That's like, dang, I'm excited about that. I'm going to be able to build my skill set and have a very strong skill set to help make sure I have a secure job in the future as well. Sergio says, yeah, I'm studying for UI front-end dev. Others have told me that algorithms are ass. Good to hear different views. Algorithms are ass. I got an interview from Entrepreneur Magazine. They only tested me in HTML. That's it. HTML and CSS, which I passed with flying colors, right? And I was expecting algorithms and JavaScript, but they didn't do any of that. So the Jersey Dude says, why don't you get a new car? Just because you have the money doesn't mean you need to get a new car. I could honestly afford a $100,000 car right now, especially with the income I make from YouTube right now, right? And by the way, I'll be making a video on how much I earn from YouTube soon. But it's just because you could afford it doesn't mean you should always get it. And especially when you first become a developer, what happens is that you tend to spend a lot of money like right away because, man, you've never had this much money before. But that's a mistake. So don't do that. I made that mistake, to be honest. So no AC in Cali is hell. Yes, James. I agree. What is up, Donovan? Gala says, how can I become an intern in your company? We're not currently taking interns. And V says, I'm a legend. No, dude, I'm humble, but no, I'm not, bro. But anyway, man, there's a lot of questions on here. I wasn't expecting this, man. Okay, before I go to more questions, I'm curious. I talked to my senior developer, actually, not senior, my CEO, and I asked him if I could do a day in the life. You know how there's so many day in the life of a software engineer and etc. Well, I was planning on making a day in the life of a front-end software engineer. That's a front-end developer, different terms, based on Facebook and Google, right? I was planning on doing that, but making it epic with the most sickest epics you've ever seen. Even more epic than what happened when I was at Treehouse headquarters in Portland. I was thinking of doing that with epic, edits, from the moment of my house to when I get in my car and all those things. I was thinking of actually doing that. And I got permission. And I'm just wondering if you guys would be interested in seeing that too, because if not, then I probably won't do it. Supreet says, should I learn JavaScript and PHP side by side? Nope, learn one of them first. And I would suggest learning JavaScript. All right. IT guy says he loved my videos. Thank you, man. I'm humbled. By the way, man, if any of you are watching right now, man, all you have to do is click the like button. I would definitely appreciate it if you could just click that like button right there. I'm at 18 right now. If you could just click that like button, that'd be awesome. Okay. Ahmed says, hi, Chris. What are you gonna do about the Ambridge Analytics scandal? What's your take on that? Yeah, it's kind of crazy. I didn't even know about that until after I made my video and how I'm gonna make a video about Facebook, and that sucks. But I don't know, man. Things happen, but at the end of the day, that won't affect me, to be quite honest. At the end of the day, no matter what happens in the world, I have to make sure I secure my future, take care of myself and my family. So it sucks. Things happen. People aren't perfect. People are sometimes given to those temptations, and everyone faces them. But he happened to give into it at that time with the power that person had, and that sucks, man. I'm pretty sure it's the Facebook scandal, right? James, can you make a video on job search strategy for no degree for now? Yeah, let me screenshot this. Hey, James, if you can actually hit me up on Twitter or Instagram, and I appreciate that. All right, Magdalena, what is up, Magdalena? Ask, how much should a potential front-end intern know? A potential front-end intern, don't say potential. You will be a front-end developer, and you will become a front-end intern. You'll get that position. You need to know JavaScript. You need to know HTML, CSS fairly well, especially JavaScript. What will help you get the position is if you do know Ajax or JSON. Also, not just that, what will help even that much more, man, I feel like you're underpaid if you get hired as an intern to do this at a company, but if learning React, especially React or Angular, will help you get that position even that much more. It'll make you more qualified, especially if you're able to display projects in your portfolio. People would be crazy to not take you in, man. Not man, girl. You know what I mean. All right. Any more? I like this, man. I like just talking to you guys. I like it when I don't have to think of content and you just think of it for me, man. Victor, do you design before you develop a website? No, at my company, we kind of have like a standard of what the sites will look like. And what happens is that when someone tells me what they need, my main job is I work with JavaScript. And so my main job with JavaScript is to make sure that I can make that website function in a way that can help them do the things that they need to make sure they succeed as well, as best as possible. So, oh, very good question, man. When are you ready to move on to framework like React? I'm moving on to it now. I'm just not on it on the course on Treehouse. But I'll tell you this, man. I'm taking a look at the Udacity course for React. It's $500. That's really expensive, but I'm definitely considering investing in that because to be able to get even that much more in detail, because what Treehouse is teaching is the basics of React, what is important. And I don't think you should go to the Udacity React course unless you're good at JavaScript, have a good experience in programming languages, and etc. Because you just fail the course and then you won't get your certificate and you won't learn well. And so yeah, go through Treehouse first and yeah. Yeah. Anyway, is SaaS using companies? Yes, there are. When I went to the Entrepreneur Magazine, when they wanted to hire me, oh wow, dude, we dropped up to 28 likes. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. But yeah, Entrepreneur Magazine does, and when they interviewed me, and they asked if I knew it. I said no, and they said it's okay, it's easy to learn it. And so yes, I did get an interview with Entrepreneur Magazine. They actually wanted to hire me. I actually told my CEO about this too, and I told them how they did want to hire me. It was literally down the street from my company where my building was before we moved to where we are now, and what they wanted to do was pick me up, but I'm learning so much in my company just for a little bit more pay. It's not worth it. So, Euban says, Chris, do you work with a lot of e-commerce applications? If so, what kind? No, but I make e-commerce websites. All right, Kelvin, how is the Team Treehouse course going, dude? Kelvin, it is amazing, man. I absolutely love it. I wish I could have more time to do it, and it's honestly it's phenomenal, especially because the Slack channel is amazing. You could literally ask for help to anything. You know how to Stack Overflow, there's Google they can go to, which you should always try to use. But when you go to the Slack channel, you literally have people, developers, right there that can help you right away. And you could even what will happen is that you can actually look at the GitHubs and link it up, and you can look at their examples. Now, what I'm saying is don't copy them, but you can look at what they did to get what you need to get done. Because, man, that's valuable. It's extremely valuable, and I learned a lot. And also the thing about this tech degree program at Treehouse, what's amazing about it, and again, guys, they're not paying me to do this. They're just giving me free access. And what I get on my end is that I get I'm able to learn for free, right? And they make you do projects that even I don't do at work that I'm not comfortable with, which is what I need to make sure that I don't become lazy. How do you stay humble? You realize that you're stupid. Chris, is that a Rolex? No, this is Movement. Man, I should do affiliate program with them. This is a Movement, MVMT. By the way, before we keep going, guys, before we keep going, I want to ask you a question. All right, I'm thinking. Okay, now I know I say something against like you shouldn't game, but I want to do it at least an hour a day just to have my time to relax sometimes. But I was talking to another. He was a backend developer at my company, junior full stack developer. His name's Jason. And he was talking about Twitch. We were talking about it. And he was saying that maybe I should start a Twitch channel. He's telling me like how fun it is, and while you're playing games, I can interact with you guys too here on my channel. And yeah, if you guys want me to do Twitch, like this video, dude. Or also just let me know in the messages below or comment below. Yeah, and let me know if you'd be willing to follow me on there too, because I think Twitch would be really fun to do. I haven't played games in years, and I think I'm able to control myself enough, and I will limit myself only to an hour a day, max. So let me know. Thanks, Mitch. Saying content is always good and informative. Thank you, man. Boom Cat. I feel like I'm beatboxing. Do you guys know I could beatbox? It won't sound good on here though. I'll do it on my next video. So he just finished Treehouse. And should he start applying for front end development jobs? Yes, you should, bro. James, I just saw you message me as well. Thanks, man. Yeah, you should definitely go ahead and make sure that you apply right away. But that's if you have a portfolio. If you don't have a portfolio, don't even try. No one's going to hire you. No one's going. You need to have a portfolio if you want to get hired as a developer. Mintra says, I miss your videos from work. I wonder why you stopped. I stopped because my one of the owners said stop, but I got permission from the head CEO that I could do it one time. So yeah. Okay. So Katie says, I'm currently learning C#. Are there any resources you recommend? No, I'm sorry. I don't know anything about C#. I'm not even sure if you can learn that Treehouse. You probably could, but if not, Udacity would be where I go. All right, Jason says, hey, Chris, I'm starting on Treehouse, but can't decide if you should do still full stack or front end. Bro, I think you should do a little bit of front end, do the first half up to just JavaScript. Don't even do JavaScript. Just do the first half front end development, CSS, yeah, just learn that and then go to full stack JavaScript. That's what I would do. All right, Linux says, "Hey, I can't wait for the day in the life. I can't wait to do that too, man. Honestly, I've been planning this for the last couple of weeks, actually 2 months already. So I already know what I'm gonna do." John says, "Hey Chris, if you feel overwhelmed at work, what do you do besides hitting the books twice as hard?" Um, when I feel overwhelmed, there have been times when I've really showed like how frustrated I get at work. And when I show this, I would just tell my technical manager, I'll tell him, "Hey Tony, you know what, dude, I am frustrated. I can't solve this right now. I need to take a walk," and I'll take a walk around. Or you know what, even if it's, let's say I already took my hour lunch, I'll just tell them, "Sorry, I'm kind of overwhelmed. I just need to take a walk right now, and I just need to get coffee at Starbucks." And I'll take a nap and listen to music. But just do your best, and that's pretty much, man, it. Tom, yes, I will do day in the life. What is up, Raphael? John G's asking because I'm in a trial phase with a new company and it's really tough so far. Lots of new technology and there's no senior developer to consult and currently remote. Yeah, just find a way. What I would do is find Slack channels you could join. There are Telegram chats about coding you could join where you can ask for help. Again, Google is your best friend, man. But Raphael, how was my day? My day's good. It was kind of slow today. I'm not gonna lie, man. Long but slow. Okay, I have to go soon. I have to go in 3 minutes. I'm actually at the laundromat right now. So all right. Do you enjoy your job? Yes, I love my job a lot. Ruben, after becoming comfortable with JavaScript, should we learn jQuery or just jump into React? Learn JavaScript well. Forget jQuery. Forget jQuery. Don't even worry about jQuery. jQuery is nothing. Learn JavaScript well, then go to React. Raphael, thanks for following me, man. Yeah, Raphael, you know what? Leave me a comment on my latest post on Instagram. I'll make sure to follow you back. By the way, guys, I'll follow everyone who's live in the chat right now back on Instagram whenever you post a comment. If I see it, whenever you post a picture or whatever and you see it and I see it, I'll make sure to respond to that too. And yeah, hit me up on Instagram. I'll make sure to follow you guys back. But when you follow me, this is only for you guys who watch a specific video. Just leave a comment and say, "I followed you from YouTube." Just say that. Leave it in the comment one of my photos and I'll make sure to follow you back. And if you've already been following me, let me know and I'll follow you back too. Because I only follow all my friends in real life, but I don't really follow that many aspiring developers, which would be really fun to do. No, I haven't tried Udemy. What services do you use during your daily dev work? I use Google. How are you always motivated learning new things? Because I want to change my life and do better. And because if you do the same thing every day, coding gets boring and you get burned out. When can we get the Treehouse free access? Very good question. I'll be talking about in a few videos very soon. What do you mean I'm on fire, bro? So I should start a Switch. Wait, I should start a Twitch. If you guys don't know this about me, man, I've been playing Counter-Strike since I was 13. So I'm 30 now. So I've been playing Counter-Strike for 17 years. Well, I didn't play for the last 2 years because I wanted to change my life, but I've never heard of Fortnite. But I'm considering it. My computer is extremely good. Extremely good. It's powerful enough to play pretty much anything. What editor do I use? I use Atom. By the way, I'm thinking of doing what's in my computer video too. So let me know if you guys want to see that too. All right. Any more questions? Do you code on Mac or PC? I use Mac. I prefer Mac. Any more stuff on here, man? Thanks, Mitchell. Thank you, bro. Okay. Before we end here, guys, I have about 1 more minute. I just want to say again, thank you guys for watching. There are not any more questions, but I am very humbled by this. If you want to follow me, by the way, I'm starting my Twitch channel. It's twitch.com/realchrissean, like all on my social media. I don't know when I'll go live in it, but I plan on doing it very soon. I think it'll be a fun way to get to know you guys even that much more. And you know what? Yeah, so I plan on doing all these videos, and I'm very humbled with all of this, man. If there's anything else that I missed, is there any other questions, put in a comment below. I will make sure to respond to it 100%. And thank you guys for watching. If you haven't liked this video, leave a comment if you didn't. And other than that, man, I'll see you guys in my new video tomorrow. Love you all. Thank you guys for watching. You guys want to see where I am, by the way? You know what? Hold on. So this is where I'm at right now. I'm here at the laundromat. There's Jack in the Box. If you want to, you know what? Let me show you what's in my backpack real quick. Since we're live, this is live, man. This isn't like a legit. This is a live video, so I can actually this is a live video, so I can actually show you what's in my bag. Huh? Show you what's in my bag real quick. My coding backpack. All right. Oh shoot. Okay, so this is what's in my coding backpack. Okay, so here's my laptop. This is my laptop right here. I have my laptop. Oh shoot. Let me turn this around real quick, guys. If you want to see my stuff. So this is my laptop. My coding laptop, GoPro, Treehouse stickers right here. What else is in here? So this is the other stuff that I have on here. I have a trackpad. I bought a trackpad, perfect for editing. But when I'm doing other things, I sometimes want to use my Magic Mouse too as well. There's a trackpad too. Here's my Bible, all my camera equipment, my bananas, battery equipment, and just my laptop stuff. But yeah, that's it. Let's turn this back. Turn around. All right, I'm gonna head out, guys. Thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, please like this. I would appreciate it. But love you all. I'm gonna head out now. This is Krishan. It's Life for Developer, and I'm out, guys. Peace.